There is nothing quite like the wonder of nature, its serenity and sheer magnificence, as here in the Nordic woodlands. For me as a designer, nature is the true inspiration and the source of one of man's most versatile materials. The beginning of engineering was entwined with the craftsmanship of carpentry, establishing wood as a true bridge between nature and technology. With no two pieces being alike, wood remains timeless and individual. Vogel's OP1 floor stand brings this quality to your TV, free to stand out where you see fit, reinstalling the TV as a truly distinct piece of interior design, giving you a fresh perspective and adding authenticity to your living environment.